Alright, so welcome to my house. You might be asking yourself, Xavier, why are we at your house right now? Because this is where I live. Let's get straight to the point. I gotta prepare my S2000 for Mishimoto on Thursday. Today is 4/20. Shout out to my smokers out there. I don't smoke, but I just thought I should say that. I have to do a valve adjustment and make sure everything is good on the car, because when you have a turbo vehicle, everything breaks. So I'm pretty sure I have a couple loose items on there. I mean, nothing's broken, but I just want to make sure. Mishimoto had told us that we can basically do whatever we want on their lot, like just do burnouts, have a good time. So taking the 350Z, taking my car, and I'm not quite sure what Tim is going to drive, but maybe the Lexus, who knows. So the whole point of me recording right now is because today we were building the roof on Greg's 350Z, but it's a carbon fiber process, so you know that takes time, and I want to make sure I have an episode out this Wednesday. Hey yo Tim, this is for you, and you know why. Alright, so yeah, I just want to have something out for you guys, just to let you know that we're staying on a consistent schedule. Many new things to come, and yeah, let's get to it, because right now I'm just rambling and you're like, I don't give a damn what you're doing, I just want to see you do work or get straight to the point. I don't blame you, so let's do it. Items needed, tools, a lot of tools. One of them things, JDM nut valve adjustment tool. Yeah, hopefully this focus is focusing. I got myself some feeler gauges, 16 blade offset. Boom. Get yourself some nice quality gloves, Gorilla Grip. Perfect. Then, you know, make sure you protect your fender. Get yourself a nice Summit Racing fender protector. Don't mind me, I got the sniffles, but got my baby, Mrs. Nikita. And like I said, it's a 10 mil. You're gonna take off 1, 2, yeah. All right, let's go. Damn, this is really difficult with the camera. So don't forget to disconnect your cam sensors, because there any. Disconnect you. Basically, I'm gonna be disconnecting my fuel injectors just to get this harness kind of out the way from when I do the intake side, because it's a really tight space. All right, perfect. Damn, that engine looks clean. Alright, so now that I got the spark plugs good to go, all up out of there, let's put this bad boy at top dead center. Actually, yeah, we're pretty damn good. Welcome back, my fellow brethrens. Sorry, got a little distracted the other day. Went out with my boys on Saturday, and then Sunday was Game of Thrones, so I pretty much didn't get a chance to finish anything. So right now we're on piston number 2. As I can see, a little tight. No, she ain't even going in. Can only expect a "that's what she said" comment, but whatever. And this is the 0.011 feeler gauge. Clearances for your exhaust side, I believe, was 0.010 to 0.011. I'm gonna do 11 because it's a pretty lucky number. And I guess this is where this tool comes into play. Just place it on top, like so, and loosen. Has a nice little screwdriver in the middle. Now you just I'm not gonna lie, I kind of don't like this tool because I can't even see the damn flathead. Jesus. All right. And I'm just gonna run the 0.01. Man, what type of cologne do you have on? You smell like an old man.
Cologne, black ass.
Crap stinks.
Your ass stinks.
Jesus. That's my
I
dad.
hope they don't put my flip flop and up.
I don't know. I should write your name on.
What?
I don't know. Write your name on.
They probably got my jackass. Fuck you with my shit. Dumbass. You can't go stop.
Because you don't know how to do stuff.
I just adjusted the valve on your fucking brain, jackass.
He needs a swear jar. That was just uncalled for. Oh shit. GoPro down.
Just close, open, put the tool. Perfect. This 14 to loose, so this is 19. So that's good.
All right, so I just went to my friend Gabrielle at GSG. Basically, I just had to get my spark plugs gapped, and he had a pretty nice tool, which I'm about to go home and buy now. Because gapping these iridium plugs aren't fun. I'm about to get that, go home, install these, finish putting everything back together, and pretty much done for the day. Ooh. All right, we're back. I had to go pick up some new spark plugs. I'm pretty sure I messed my whole ones up. Trying to gap them, I didn't gap them right. But I have really good friends. And a friend of mine let me use his nice fancy, I think it's like Torque Solutions or something. I forget the name. But yeah, he gapped them for me to the specified gap range. right, yeah, I'm gonna go to Virginia. Catch y'all later. Hopefully, I think Thursday we're going to Mishimoto, so we're gonna have some pretty good burnout footage. 350Z is getting shredded, you know, cool, crazy stuff to come. Yeah, I just want to do a quick video, like I said before, because there was no content for the week. Yeah, I know I have to put my bolts in for my spark plugs and put my dipstick in and connect my PCV valve and all that good stuff, but I feel like this is a good point to leave, so catch y'all later. Bye.